Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best play equipment is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial investments you can make for your children's development and enjoyment, offering a fantastic way to encourage physical activity, creativity, and social interaction right in your own backyard, transforming ordinary days into extraordinary adventures filled with laughter and learning as they explore, climb, and imagine. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with our shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? This splash pad offers a safe and spacious play area for both kids and pets. Its non-slip surface ensures worry-free fun for toddlers and older children alike. If you're looking for a way to keep your entire family, including your furry friends, cool and entertained this summer, this is the perfect choice. What people say. After a year, it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. Other than that, it is still in like new condition and works great. Zero rips, tears or defects after multiple uses, with toys being thrown in it and stepped on. We've had this splash pad since June 2025 and I'm honestly so impressed with how well it has held up. Between 5 dogs and 2 kids using it, I expected some wear and tear, but it's still in great condition. The material seems to be thick and sturdy, with the water coming up to my daughter's ankle. Number 4. Jungle Gym Kingdom Trapeze Swing Bar Set. Encourage active play with this fun trapeze bar. It's the perfect addition to any backyard playground, helping your children get great exercise. Setting up is a breeze. This hanging bar comes fully assembled with rings, chains, and secure steel carabiners, so playtime can start right away. Take your outdoor play area to the next level with this exciting swing set accessory. It's something your children will absolutely love. Designed with safety in mind, these sturdy and secure playground accessories are a favorite among parents. You can have peace of mind while they play. Upgrade your playground equipment and make active outdoor play a daily possibility. It's a fantastic way to keep them entertained and engaged. What we like? This swing set accessory is designed to elevate your existing playground with added fun and exercise. It comes fully assembled with durable chains and carabiners for a secure attachment. If you want to add a new dimension of active play and encourage your children's physical development, this is a fantastic upgrade. What people say. This is a great addition to our backyard. The kids love it and it was easy to assemble. The quality of the materials is excellent and it seems very durable. My children have been playing on it for hours every day since we got it. It has a lot of different activities for the kids to enjoy, including a slide, swings, and a climbing wall. It's perfect for keeping them entertained. Number 3. Jungle Gym Kingdom Pirate Ship Wheel. Embark on an imaginative journey with this fun addition to your child's playhouse. It's a fantastic way to spark their creativity and let their adventures begin. Setting up the colorful toy steering wheel is a breeze, thanks to the included mounting tools. Your little ones can start playing in no time. Designed with safety in mind, this ship will meet ASTM standards for residential use. You can rest assured knowing it's safe for your children to enjoy. Crafted with quality materials, this pirate ship toy wheel is built to withstand the elements. It's a durable accessory that will provide endless fun. Complete your child's backyard adventures with this versatile steering wheel. It's a perfect fit for swing sets, fences, and play sets, turning any space into a pirate ship. What we like? This accessory sparks imaginative adventures for your little ones. It's built to withstand the elements and comes with all necessary tools for a quick setup. If your child loves make-believe and you're looking to enhance their playhouse, treehouse, or swing set with a touch of pirate fun, this is a great addition. What people say. Easy to install, it makes a great addition to our playscape. Cute addition to my girls' outdoor playhouse. Beautiful color and fun to keep them entertained. This is made with high quality and is a perfect addition to our play area. Number 2. ECR 4 Kids Jumbo 4 to Score Giant Game. Get ready for oversized fun with this classic Connect 4 in a row game. It's perfect for 2 players or teams, encouraging strategic thinking and planning. This entertaining game is more than just fun, it helps improve motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and cognitive abilities. It's a great way to develop problem-solving and reasoning skills. You can set up this huge game in just 2 minutes, no tools required. It's made from high-quality, lightweight materials and comes with 42 rings in 2 team colors. Rest assured, this game is ULGRNGURD Gold certified for low VOCs and is CPSIA compliant. Safety is a top priority. This giant game measures an impressive 47W x 19D x 46H. Please note that adult supervision is required for active engagement. What we like? This oversized game brings classic fun to a whole new level, encouraging strategic thinking and motor skills. It's incredibly easy to set up in just 2 minutes. If you're looking for an engaging outdoor activity that promotes cognitive development and is perfect for family game nights or team play, this giant game is an excellent option. What people say. The play equipment is very sturdy and well made, with no sharp edges. The design is excellent, with a variety of activities to keep children entertained for hours. Assembly was straightforward and took less than an hour. Number 1. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Sand and Water Table. Discover the versatility of this amazing table. It easily transforms from a picnic table to a sand or water activity center, offering endless entertainment. Make sunny days even better with this outdoor essential. It's the ideal spot for kids to enjoy lunch, play, and learn together outside. Keep your little one comfortable with the adjustable umbrella. It provides perfect shade that can be moved up or down as needed. Built to last with high-quality, natural hemlock wood, this table is designed for years of play and meals. It comfortably seats up to 4 children. Safety is paramount. This table is crafted from treated, BPA-free wood, ensuring a safe and fun experience for your children for years to come. What we like? This versatile table offers multiple play options, transforming from a picnic table to a sand or water activity center. It features a real wood construction and an adjustable umbrella for sun protection. If you desire a durable and engaging outdoor play station that encourages creative play and dining, this convertible table is ideal for sunny days. What people say. The table is sturdy enough for children, stable, and has lovely features: storage, umbrella, play bins. Unbelievably sturdy for a kid's item, real wood, not the particle board or plastic. Heavy enough the wind doesn't move it, and perfect height for 2-5+. The wood is sturdy and well made. The 2 removable trays are great for sand and water play, and cleanup is a breeze. When the top is on, it functions as a regular picnic table, perfect for snacks or crafts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.